Today we're going to be building a brand new C63 on the Mercedes Benz configurator. You guys are not going to believe how expensive it now is.
The C63 has always been one of the most popular AMGs. They took the perfect compact form factor and comfort of the C-Class and slapped a big V8 in the front that makes this noise. The new C63 is very different. The V8 is gone and it's been replaced with a 4-cylinder hybrid setup, and it now sounds like this.
So the new C63 is a bit underwhelming for us hardcore AMG fans. I mean, they took the V8 engine that we all loved and they've replaced it with a 4-cylinder hybrid. What a disappointment. But hey, let's fire up the Mercedes Benz configurator, let's build a C63, spec it up, see how much it costs, and everything you get for your money.
So at the start of the build you can choose from two options. The Night Edition, which costs £98,000, or the Carbon Edition, starting at a whopping £103,000. Ouch. You can see here, despite its lack of a V8 engine, the new C63 is still a tremendously powerful car. With its hybrid system, it has a combined total horsepower of 680, and it's listed here at 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. The good news is both of these options come with the Premium Plus pack, which basically means you get almost every optional extra from the new C-Class. Now, I won't go through all these here, but if you want to read what you get, just pause the video while I scroll down the list. Now, we all love carbon, so let's go for the Carbon Edition. And here it is, and it's a very nice looking car. Mercedes did a great job on the styling, and it really stands out against the standard C-Class. Now it's time to move on to the colours. One of my favourite things about speccing an AMG is choosing an exciting colour. On the AMG GT, for example, you can get this satin hell green, or a personal favourite of mine, brilliant blue, which I had on my C43.
If you're getting an AMG, you've got to go for an exciting colour. We want something bright, flashy and leery. Let's choose a colour. Honestly guys, this is not a joke. These are the actual colours you get to choose from.
So what should we go for? This white, this black, this grey, this other black, or this other grey? It's a hard one, but I think I'm going to go for this grey here. Joking aside guys, it's just such a shame there's no exciting, bright and vibrant colours here. Next up is the wheels, and there's only one option here, which is the 20-inch cross spokes. These here are a slight evolution of the previous generation AMG forged wheels. Then we have headlights. You get Mercedes' latest digital lights as standard, which are an impressive bit of kit. One of the craziest features on these lights is the projection function, which will actually project shapes and icons onto the road to help guide you in the dark. Next up is upholstery, and again, no options here for any exciting interior colours. You just get the basic black leather and Alcantara finish. I think if we just had some options for different colour stitching, that would have been nice. Next is the seats, and the C63 comes standard with the new AMG Performance seats, which I'm a big fan of. For trims you get carbon fibre across the dash, although it's a bit disappointing because it stops here and then we've got this huge centre console part in piano black. At least though I can see here you do get a nice carbon fibre steering wheel. Lastly, we have some tech and safety options which all come standard thanks to the Premium Plus package. We have the Assistance package which has all the usual safety features like blind spot assist, and you also get Distronic Plus, which is Mercedes' advanced self-driving cruise control. Then we have the parking package with the 360-degree camera. So here it is, our C63 is finished, and I think it's looking rather nice here in this satin graphite grey. Although again, I would love to have seen some more vibrant colours, especially with all this great contrasting gloss black and carbon fibre trim. Most importantly though, let's take a look at the price. I still can't believe I'm saying this, but our C63 is going to cost us almost £105,000. That is crazy, especially when you think it doesn't even have the V8, it's a 4-cylinder engine. Just to show you guys how crazy this is, let's take a quick look on Auto Trader and see what other AMGs we could buy for 105k. For under 100k, you could own this incredible AMG GTR, or if you wanted a bit more practicality, you could get a really nice AMG GT 4-door. Hell, you could even buy yourself 3 V8 C63s just for the cost of this new car. You could treat yourself to a V8 C63 Coupe, Saloon and Estate, all together for less than the 4-cylinder version. I don't know about you guys, but I just can't buy into this new C63. It's just way too expensive for what you get. I mean, my original plan was to own the CLA45s for 2 to 3 years and then upgrade it to the new C63, but I just can't buy it. I can't justify these prices.
I think over the next year, when some of these cars start to appear on the used market, it's going to be really interesting to see how much they've depreciated and lost in value. I mean, recently I made a video about the new C43 and we went on Auto Trader and we looked how much that car has dropped in value, and in its first year or two it is absolutely bombed. If you want to see what I mean, I'll pop the video on screen now.